Strip salt off there. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be making chopped grill. So here's the ingredients, recipe. Some chicken thigh. Got the grill already mixed. Got some celery, some bell peppers, jalapenos. That's jalapenos. Serranos. Got oyster. Got some palm sugar, MSG. Makes it good. Fish sauce, tamarind powder, chicken bouillon, and garlic. Let's start. So we got some chicken thigh with no bone. Right now we're gonna slice it up.
Let's cut the fat off. We'll go bite size.
Two bite-sized pieces. Yeah. However you like it. To your liking. Chopping up some chicken gizzards. Got sous chef Talia right here, chopping up the green onions.
Say hi.
Hey vlog.
Chicken thighs and chicken gizzards all cut up. Chop up the veggies. Got celery here. Slice up the bell peppers now. Now we're gonna slice up the serrano peppers. Got the veggies all cut up. Chicken right here. And the Kreung, aka lemongrass.
Okay, we're recording.
So we're gonna add olive oil to the pan. Let it get hot first. Next up, we're gonna add the lemongrass. We're gonna throw in this chicken. And I stir that up. I'm gonna add some MSG. Brown sugar.
Alright. You could be in the next
How
video.
much stop?
Keep going.
One tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Stir it up. We're gonna let the chicken cook and cover it up. Now once all the juice evaporated, after we've been cooking it for a bit, we add some more ingredients. Add some MSG. Mix it good. Brown sugar. Oyster sauce.
Start it off.
Well, chicken bouillon going in. Stir it all up. Right here we added a little bit more water because it's getting a little dry. Got some tamarind powder. So right here we taste tested the food and adjusted it to our liking. So we added a little bit more oyster sauce and fish sauce. Now we throw in all the vegetables. Stir it up. So this is the finished results for the chocolate. Yeah, serve it over rice. Got our rice and our chocolate. Time to enjoy the chocolate. Chocolate hitting.
Bussin'?
Bussin'.
Valid?
Valid. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.